Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel Quick Tips. Today in this video we are going to see 5 of the best websites out on the internet to learn about web development. So without any delay, let's get it started. So guys, here we start the list of websites to learn web development, and website number 5 is here, Developermozillacom, also called Ambient Web Doc. Talking about this website features, this is the website where real developers and coders from Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Samsung and Mozilla Firefox company come here and teach several programming languages, including web development programming languages. So in this website you can find blog posts, easy to read and very clear-cut blog post about programming, guides about several programming languages, so you must check it out. Website number 4 here is freecodecam.org. This is a non-profit organization and you can very freely learn different kind of programming languages in this website and earn certificate for really free after completing those programs or programming languages course. So as per FreeCodeCamp, more than 40,000 students graduated from freecodecamp.org and get job on the big tech companies like Microsoft, Google, Spotify, Uber and many more. So you should check this website once. All the website links are in description below, so you can go there and check it out. And here comes website number 3, codecacademy.com. This website provides free coding classes in 12 different programming languages, and if you are not sure about what programming languages you should learn, then they have the quiz facility for you, where you can take their quiz and they will tell you what programming language you should learn. And more than that, you can code in their website in real time and run it on their website. So this is amazing and you must check it out, this website, because this website provides most value to you. Website number 2 is here, HTMLcom, and this website only focuses on web development guides. It means if you are only interested in web development, then you can come here, because they have the best guides on web development and they have examples, techniques and references for it also. So this is also a must check out website, because this has more value than other websites, because this website only offers courses and guides for web development programming languages, not other programming languages. So guys, website number 1 here is w3schools.com, and this website is officially or unofficially recommended by many web developers around the world and programmers, because this is one of the great websites on the whole internet to learn web development for free, web development or any other languages. So talking about this website features, is they provide courses in a bite-sized way, so you will not feel bored while taking these courses. And it includes tutorials, references, examples, trainings. It has quizzes and how-to guides, exercises, and it also provides certificate for you. For certificate, I think you have to pay for certificate. So this much in this video, and in upcoming video we will tell more about websites and these things. So don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel, will be awesome.